Okay, this video demonstrates how you can use the lot number system in Spire to use tracking of a punch card system. So if you sell a card that includes so many instances of something. So in my example here, I've got something set up called skate sharpening. So the SS is the skate sharpening part number, and then we've got something called the SSPC, so the punch card. And so inside of skate sharpening, you'll see that it's set up as a non-physical item with a sell price of $10, but it has an accessory on it of an SSPC. So that's the punch card itself. Okay, and to look at the SSPC, you will see that it's set up as a normal lot numbered item with no sell price. Okay, so then all we do then is sell the item to a customer. Oops. Let's go create a new order. So to Bob Johnson, and we put the SS on here, and you'll see that it charged or it added the skate sharpening punch card automatically. So in this case, we're going to put 5 of these. They're going to buy 5 units of it. So it's $50, and we got a freight charge we'll take off. And then here you want to put -5, so we take the lot number into stock for this item. So the punch card itself would be best if it had a barcode. You could just scan at this point, but if it doesn't have a barcode, you just put in the number. So I'll go 774411 is the actual number on the card. Okay, and then we click OK, and then we invoice it to the customer. And we'll just have a look at the invoice. So it shows they got skate sharpenings, 5 of them, and the SSPC skate sharpening -5. Now you could customize this report so it actually doesn't show this minus on here to possibly confuse the customer, but you'll see that the punch card number shows up on here as well. Okay, so then if the customer comes in to purchase or use up one of their available punch cards, so we'll go back in again and do another invoice. Put Bob in the order again. Bob. Okay, this time it's easiest to actually click the Scan Items button, because then you don't have to think about any part of it. So you just have to type in the actual, from here you can scan the card number, because this is our scan system that looks at lot numbers and serial numbers and part numbers all at the same time. So all you need to do is now scan the card or type in the card number, 774411, and it automatically put that item on the order. So you didn't have to choose the item at all. So here number 1 of the skate sharpening is being used up. Okay, so if we go to invoice this now, so we got freight on here again. I can take off the automatic freight normally. Okay, then we'll hit the invoice button now. And 0, yes, because we're not charging him this time. We're just consuming up one of his skate sharpenings. So the invoice just shows 1 skate sharpening at no charge. And then we go to sell to him again. So down the road he comes in to get more. We put Bob on the order again. And we scan it. And we go 774411. Puts it on the order. And you'll see if we look at it that he's got 3 left after this one he's just used. Okay, and when it gets to the end, so let's just actually go ahead and consume all of these right now. So let's take all 4 of them. So there will be none left at the end of this. Change selection. Change it here. Okay, so now there's none left. And we'll just invoice this out to the customer on account. And we won't preview the invoice. So next time he comes in, we go to do another invoice to Bob. He hands us his card. We scan the item, 774411, and it beeps, unable to process 774411, because there's no stock of that item left. So then what we have to do is go into SS again, put the skate sharpening on the order, if he's buying 10 this time, for instance, we can go 10, and we go -10 on this one, And we go 774411. If he keeps the same card, if we give him a new card, we can of course change that. And we click OK, and we invoice it again. Now he has 10 more units of that card. And that's how we can use lot numbers as a way of keeping track of a punch card system.